Hey man, hey Mr. School Security Guard, where'd the teacher go?
First, Miss leaves. She leaves from the office.
Let me borrow your homework from this.
The other
Bramble's
woman
class,
in the
please,
office.
please,
I forget
please,
her
man.
name. She leaves the office. She
I'll do your homework for
two-person
$10
relationship, she
again,
says.
bitch.
She leaves too. Then, third person in the office as well. I forget her name. Now, all the teachers
Mr. Dwight came back, and then he had to leave on a personal situation. Asked me to find you to cover for him.
Jesus H. Christ, what's wrong with the store now? Oh, how you all doing now? This is Bobby Truth from KPOR TXQR. Television, Truth Radio, Truth TV. Well, I'm with the television side of it. Bobby Truth. I'm here to see Mr.